Yeah. Alright, guys, welcome to question 2. Let's look at how to do this now. Haven't done question 1. It should be simple now, right? Let's use the essay method first. Method 1. Let's try out our method 1. Alright, first method. First of all, we said let solution. We said let what? Let u be equal to what? Be equal to index, which is what? Equal to the, let's put it index. The index, which is what? The index is 9x squared. Right, that's the index. That's let u be equal to the index, and that index is 9x squared. So we differentiate u with respect to the index, right? So we differentiate u, right, with respect to 9x squared, and that becomes what? Du over dx, right? Du over dx, differentiating u with respect to x, right? Becomes what? If you differentiate 9x squared, what do you have? We said 2 multiply this and we'll subtract 1 from here, right? We've done this one many times. So it's 2 times 9, which is what? 18x. 2 minus 1 is 1, square 1. So it's the same thing. So this is the first step we're going through. Our first step. Let's put this in a box. Alright, so step 1. Alright, so call it step 1. Alright, so what becomes our step 2? Let's go to our step 2. Step 2. Step 2 is that easy. Let's put this in another box. Alright, so step 2, we replace, right? We'll say let our y becomes e raised to the power, instead of 9x squared becomes e raised to the power u, because we've replaced u for the index, right? And then we'll differentiate with respect to that. That our dy over du, we're differentiating y with respect to u, will still give us e raised to the power u. And then we'll go to step 3. Our step 3. What's our step 3? We use the formula, right? Formula is dy over dx is equal to what? What should that be? Dy over du times du over dx. So we replace the value. That's what we do. So what's the value? Where is dy du? Look at dy du is e raised to the power u. Therefore, our dy over dx becomes dy over du. Sorry, excuse me, guys. Dy du, which is e raised to the power of u, times what? See the times here. Times du dx. Look at du dx. 18x. 18x. So let's rearrange. And our dy over dx becomes what? 18x e raised to the power of u, which is equal to 18x e raised to the power, what's u? 9x squared. 9x squared. So this is our answer. Yep, we got it. The answer. You see, that's for dy dx. They're asking us to redifferentiate, right? But should we even do that one? We'll do that one later. Let's not do that one now. Let's leave it first. We'll create a separate video for this one. It's going to be long. I don't want this video to be long, right? So you just take the first one, first alphabet. Sorry, guys. Let's just take the first alphabet and let's use our proof. Method 2. So let's get to the method 2, guys. What's our method 2? We are borrowing this small space for method 2. Method 2. So for method 2, it's easy now. This is still working. Alright, still. So method 2 is easy. I said our y is e raised to the power of what? 9x squared. First things first. Our dy over dx, the answer becomes just differentiate the index. What do we have? If we differentiate the index, we will have 18x, right? And then replace our y. And our y is what? Ex raised to the power of 2. That becomes 18x. What is value of y? Value of y is ex. E raised to the power 9x squared. See how easy it is? This is our answer. It's just simple. Differentiate what you have here and replace it with our function. That's the answer. So get the answer. It's just like saying, if we use the other method, we can say our f of x is just doing f of u times f. I don't know many people understand this, but people like Kelvin, Promise Kelvin understand. Let me know his Promise Kelvin. My guy, he's my boss, guy. And people like Joe Emmanuel understand this probably. My other boss, and Christian understand this. So I'm sure you understand what we're doing, guys. Please just pay attention. Follow this, and then I believe we are good to go from there. Let's get to question number 3 and build up from here. Right? Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.